Hey guys, my name is Rafael from Avant Auto Sales. Another day, another walk around, and please remember, bring your W-2, file your taxes right here, give me your down payment with your tax refund, and you will be a happy camper. Now, what brings me in today is a 2005 Mercury Mountaineer, which is basically the same thing as a Ford Explorer, but this one is fancier. This one has a 4.0 liter engine. It's an automatic transmission. It's a V6. It has leather, and more importantly, check this out. It has a third row, and it has AC in the back, and it has AC controls in the back. Plus, you have AC in the second row. Now, this one was a fun one because we got it a few months ago, and we were fixing it. And what took us so long is that we fixed the a rear main seal that was leaking all bad, and now it's ready. Radio works, everything is in good order. You have no check engine lights other than the traction control light. It has 255,000 miles on the clock. We put a new alternator. We put a new throttle body. We fixed the rear main seal. AC is blowing cold. Everything else seems to be in really working order. Oh, give me a second. Let's put it in reverse. Gauges right away. Let's put it in drive and go around the lot. This one is super priced to sell. It's only $748 down. Drives excellent. It will make a really good car for one of you. The engine is super strong. Transmission shifts smoothly. Everything is in working order for you to get. Bring us $750 down plus tax and tag, and you will drive this beauty home. Well, and if you finance with us, you can always build your credit with Avant. Let's turn it off. Here's the key. Let's turn it back on. Starts right up, no issues whatsoever. Everything is good. It's good to go. Come get it because this won't last. Thank you.
Listen to my daddy. He knows what he's talking about.
See? She knows.